Hey y'all, it's your girl Jossie, aka J Renee, back at it again with another video. So today's video is a little different. I just got a new serger overlock sewing machine and I'm so excited about it. So I wanted, before I even opened it, I wanted to make a video about it. So let's bring it in. I haven't even opened it up yet, but we're gonna open it now. So let's just take out all the stuff. And disclaimer, I've only used one a couple times. I've never had my own and I've never worked on one for like a long periodically time. So we're gonna see how this works. Of course, we need the book because we never know what we're doing. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay, so yeah.
I'm gonna take everything out.
I'm gonna be doing a lot of exploring here. Just a disclaimer, I don't know anything about sergers. That's why I got one. I wanted to learn more. I wanted to figure out how they work and I wanted to use one at most. So this is not a tutorial. This is just an unboxing. It already comes with it. Oh, it's all oiled. They oiled it and everything. My hands are oily and it already comes with something in there to make sure it works. Okay. So this one is this Juki M0600 series. This is also style M0623. It only has the 3 spool thingies, but that's okay. This looks really great. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put it together and give it a test. Don't eat this. Put it in your stinky shoes instead. Oh, that's heavy. Actually, it's really oily. So I'm gonna leave it on the plastic. We have the machine. We have a bunch of little stuff. All packaged up nicely. I don't know what any of these things do. Like the tweezers, the things for the thingies, the other things for the thingies. I don't know what any of this stuff does, so we're gonna learn about it. I just want to see if it works. I mean, obviously it's gonna work, but I want to see if I can like make it work, okay? So I'm just gonna plug it up here. It's a little stubborn. It's plugged up. Let me bring y'all over here so y'all can see what I'm seeing. Okay, I have it plugged up already. And where's the on button? Cause oh, I found it. I'm gonna just go for it because they already have it set up a little bit. So I'm gonna really just go for it. Kind of nervous. I did it. Okay, these strings are coming out. Okay, I did it, guys. Look at that. I did it. Look, I did it. It works. I mean, obviously it works, but now I'm excited.
So excited!
Hold up. Let me figure out how to do these strings. So these are just a bunch of spools that I had laying around. And so I'm going to try to put them through. They're all color coded, which is great. So let me just do red with red because, you know, that's easiest. Put it there. It's there. Pick it up. Maybe I should read the book. I don't have time for that. Loop it around. I don't know. Around here. That don't look right. Okay, I'm gonna read the book and then I'm gonna come back.
1 hour later.
Y'all, I'm back now. I already did some stitches because, you know, I was excited. I looped it all through. It took me like an hour to try to figure it all out, but I think it's right. This is the one that it came with, and this is mine. So we're going to try it again. I'm going to show y'all. Lift up the presser foot thing. And then... And look, ba-bam. Oh my gosh. I got a surgery and I made it work. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So excited.
Y'all see this? Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. All right, I'm so happy. I don't know what else to say here. Yeah, let's do it again. Could always do it again. The guy at the thing told me I didn't even have to do that. It don't even sound like it's actually saw anything, so I was nervous at first. But wow. I actually made it work. No, like that. If you never owned a serger and if you never like done anything or like threaded it before, that took a long time. This book I was sitting here reading for hours, literally. But it worked and I love it and I can't wait to use it more. So my new setup now, I have my baby lock here, my Juki serger here. Look at this beauty. And my other regular brother machine here. So it's like all three set up. And then I have some lights down there. But yeah, it's all set up really nice and I love it. Wow, look at me. This was clearly a really short video, but I'm really happy about my new serger, my overlock machine. Yeah, if you want to see what I do with it next, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.